Today we're going to read this book called Colors, written by Nora Didos, illustrated by B.B. Sams. Alright. Can you use your pointer to point to the words? Ready?
The flower is red.
The sun
is yellow.
Next.
The frog is green.
This one?
The plum is purple.
Okay. Next one?
It's not tiny.
The bird
Is green.
The bird is blue.
Blue.
Next one? The carrot
Carrot
is orange.
Orange. The pink
Is
pink. The bear is brown. The bat is black.
good. The rainbow is
Is
full of
Color
well done. What color is this?
red, yellow, green, purple, blue, orange, pink, brown.
Black.
Black.